Hello and welcome to AROMS. This guide will show you how to navigate the app and make the most of AROMS' powerful features for studying oral and maxillofacial surgery. Let's get started. So as you can see here, this is the page that will show when you first logged into your AROMS account. At the top here we have lectures, flashcards, support, resources, legal, and account info. You will be able to access all of our content right here, and I'm going to walk you through all of that right now. So the first thing we're going to do is the lectures tab. As you can see here, this will lay out all of the units of AROMS. There are all 12 domains of oral and maxillofacial surgery here with corresponding lectures on the right-hand side. If you go ahead and click on any of those lectures, it will bring you to its own separate page. At the top are quick clicks. These are on the top of every single AROMS lecture, and the purpose of them is to quickly jump to specific lecture sections without having to scroll through the entire thing. So if you want to learn about initial surgical consultation, simply click that quick click and it will take you directly to that spot in the lecture. The next feature we'll talk about is the search feature. You can quickly search for topics, terms, or specific content across the platform using this feature. So if we want to search mandible, you can see here that it will show you exactly where mandible shows up across all of the lectures on AROMS. The next feature we'll talk about is the flashcard decks. So simply click the flashcard tab at the top and that will take you to our Flashcards by AROMS page. To create a flashcard deck, simply select the unit that you want to study and how many flashcards you want to study this round. Click Generate Flashcard Deck. To reveal the answer of the flashcard, you simply click on the flashcard itself to reveal the orange answer. Click it again, and then click the right arrow at the bottom to go to the next card. The next thing we'll talk about is the Resources tab. If you click that, you will find a library of articles, links to textbooks, and essential readings all in one convenient place. If you click on any of these down here, it will take you directly to the link to purchase specific textbooks for each domain. At the bottom here, you'll have a link to all the journals, a list of apps, and also websites. And lastly, we will talk about the Support tab. If you click on the Support tab, you can leave us feedback or support. When you click on either of these, a new window will open sending an email to our customer care team. Whether it's a technical issue or you need help navigating the app or the website, support is just a tap away. With these features, AROMS streamlines your study process. You can focus on mastering oral and maxillofacial surgery. Happy studying!